What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Radicle, which has pumped up in value quite a bit over the last 24 hours. As you can see, a major increase in value going from $1.35 all the way up to $2.37. It has taken a little dip and currently trading at $2.11, and as you can see, it has gone up nearly 50% in the space of a couple of hours. Again, it all took place after midday today. So we're going to be looking at what caused it. Is it time to buy? Is it too late? Should you sell it? So on and so on, covering both buyers and sellers' point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 and heading into 2023. How far can it go? Is there crypto worth investing into, or should you avoid it? So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are on the Coinbase website. The market has not been performing too well. It is down 5% in the last 24 hours. And we can see Bitcoin has dropped down to $16,000, which is not a good sign. However, Radicle is the top gainer in the last 24 hours and has managed to gain the top spot according to Coinbase. So that's what we're going to be focusing on in today's video. As you can see, in the last hour, it has dropped 4%, but that is very normal when a crypto is doing a huge percentage increase. As you can see, every time it does increase, it takes a little dip in between. That is exactly what's going on right now as well. Little dip, I'm expecting it to go even higher than what it's worth at the moment. Over the week, 27%, and over the month, 34% up. It's been quite volatile over the last 4 weeks, all up until earlier today, where it took a major increase in value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 3,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $71 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Radicle. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it is pumping up in value. And again, I'm expecting the trading volume to go even much higher than what it is at the moment, because more and more people will start to trade it over the coming hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Radicle, which at the moment is $1.67 in purple. However, it is trading at much higher value at $2.16 here in green, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see the blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, going in a bullish direction, looking very positive. And again, that means it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines going in a bullish direction is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. As I keep mentioning in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Radicle. So yes guys, I'm expecting it to drop below the $1.80 target towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting an overall drop in value. However, in between that time, it's likely to pump up to around the $2.50, $2.60 target, and then slowly and steadily start to drop down in value. But again, it's going to be a slow and steady drop, not a major drop out of nowhere. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see? Still looking very bullish, very steep. Again, it's not realistic, guys. So again, an overall drop in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Radicle to be trading around the $1.40 to $1.50. Somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting it to head towards. Again, it is going to be a slow and steady drop in value over the coming days, and that does not mean we're going to be seeing red candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days, we are going to have red days. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but again, the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Moving on to the big boy daily chart, what can we see here? Now, we're not looking as steep as the previous two charts, but we can still see that the blue and the orange line are going in a bullish direction, and they are just about slanting, so meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late January, early February 2023. We should expect it to be trading around $2.60 to $2.70 is what my expectations are as of right now. However, this may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across. Especially the crypto market has been very volatile recently. A lot of drops, a lot of gains, but more or less moving in a negative direction. As you can clearly see, guys, Bitcoin going from $60,000 about 12-13 months ago right now to $16,000. So that shows how much of a drop 2022 has been for the crypto market. Not just Bitcoin, but most cryptos have taken a big loss this year, but hopefully next year we should see more pumps, more green candles, and hopefully more all-time highs as well from mainly Bitcoin, but most cryptocurrencies as well. But yeah, so far so good. Over the next couple of weeks and months, we are looking like we are going to keep increasing in value at a slow and steady pace. We don't want a major increase in value and then a straight drop. What we want is a slow and steady increase in value. Again, if you guys want Radicle updates on a regular basis, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, there isn't much we can do here because we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target here for the green zone, we're going to have to hit $38, which I'm not expecting from Radicle anytime soon. Is going to require us to go through over 1,000% increase for us to hit that, which again I'm not expecting from this crypto anytime soon. So more or less we are stuck in the red zone over the next probably 12 to 18 months, unless we go for a major increase in value, which again is not expected. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Radicle, guys. Comment down below how many of you guys are investing. Are you guys buying? Are you guys selling? Or are you guys just holding on to it? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments on this crypto as well. So comment down below your expectations and your predictions as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. Not sure if that's possible. We've still got a long way for that, but guys, if you subscribe to the channel, it'll help me out a lot, and hopefully next year we should be able to hit the 100k target. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.